Hello guys, this is day one of me trying to get my driver's license. So earlier this year I made myself two promises. I'm gonna lose weight and I'm gonna get my driving license. The weight journey has started. I went from 128 to 119. Yeah, it's still an ongoing journey. And then the next promise I made myself was to get my driver's license. And guys, today that journey has been activated. I just concluded my first driver's class, and I have to say, guys, phew, I was nervous as hell before starting my first car. It's not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be, because in my mind I'm like, I'm gonna hit the bridges, I'm gonna hit the road, I'm gonna hit every oncoming car that I see. The only time I drove a car was my uncle's car, which is automatic. So driving a manual car and changing gears, that wasn't something I thought I could do. But having a great instructor and my mindset also was a huge bonus for me. I'm using a switch on driving school. Throughout the trial of trying to find a driving school, every driving school I see is keeping their money at 4,000, 5,000, 4,000, 4,800, 4,000, 4,800. But I've already given up hope. Just one day I stumbled upon this switch, and the funniest thing, it was just a few minutes away from my house. I decided, you know what, let me just go in there and ask them, see how much they're gonna charge me. Guys, I got lucky. They were having a promo of 3,000 rands for 27, or was it 25 or 27, I don't even know, but more than 20 classes for 3,000. And I'm like, yo, and it's 30 minutes every day. So I'm like, okay, you know what, this is a good step for me. So I booked it, and today being the 22nd is my first class. And guys, I have to say, my instructor didn't tell me if I did well or not. He told me that I will find out myself as the time progresses. But what I have to say, I aced it. My instructor was very calm, cool, collected. Just go left, go right, on the match the accelerator, match the clutch. Guys, he was giving me instructions, and my mind was just taking everything down. And I have to say, guys, it was one of the most fun activities that I've ever done in my life, driving a manual car. Changing gears, I've always gotten it wrong since, but today I learned how to change gears on a stick car. It's mind-blowing. And then acceleration, turning, changing the steering wheels and the directions. Guys, you know what, if I explain and explain and explain and explain, this video is going to be long. But all I have to say is, my passion for driving cars right now is on 100%, like it's on 100, and I can't wait for tomorrow's class. So this is my first official vlog on my journey to get my driver's license. So join me, let's go on this amazing journey. I still have 25 or 26 classes before my exam date. So every day I'm gonna document my day and how it went. Today was splendid. I drove for 30 minutes because, guys, I thought since it's my first time that he's gonna drive first, tell me how to change the gears and everything. But no, my instructor just sat me down in front of the car, taught me how to change the gears, how to move from 1 to neutral to 2 to neutral to 3, how to mash on the clutch, how to mash on the accelerator, how to mash on the brake. And then that class took not less than 5 minutes. And then what I heard was, okay, switch. I'm like, hey, switch what? And it dawned on me, the name of their driving school is Switch On. And guys, he told me to switch. I lost it. My nerve was intensified, everything. But I maintained my stability, I maintained my aura. I'm like, I'm not gonna mess it up today. I'm not gonna mess it up today, because I'm doing a code 10. But since I haven't driven in a long time, they said they're gonna start me with a code 8 and see how I do. Then they're gonna put me to code 10. And guys, immediately I started the truck. Changed the handbrake, put the thing in reverse. It was time to go, guys. It was time to go. My heart was beating. Boom, 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 boom. Everything that is inside my mind is, shit, you're gonna hit an oncoming car. Shit, you're gonna hit the pavement. Shit, you're gonna drive off the road. My mind was going, my mind was running. My mind was going everywhere. But to God be the glory, I just concluded my first class, and I asked my instructor, okay, how did I do? And my guy looked at me and like, I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna find out yourself as time goes on. So guys, this is my first official vlog on my journey to get my driver's license. So come join me tomorrow, and we'll go drive, and we'll talk about it tomorrow in another vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day,
I'm on my way for day 2 of my driving class, and I don't know what to expect today, but I look forward to improving. Okay guys, I just concluded my second class for my driver's lesson. So this is my official review of day 2 and how it went. Well, it started promising until I decided to release my leg from the clutch while I'm applying the brake. So guys, that got my instructor very irritated. Like, he went from 0 to 1000, and I understand he's trying to teach me. He hasn't told me what to do, and me, who doesn't know what to do, is doing something that I'm not supposed to do. I don't know if that made sense to you, but in my head it made sense to me, because he told me earlier before the class that whenever I'm trying to apply the brake, that I must first mash the clutch down and then apply the brake. But for some unknown reason, when I'm mashing the clutch and when I'm trying to mash the brake, I release the clutch. So that is the first official problem that I found out on my second day as a test driver. But on a lighter note, on a very lighter note, my instructor just gave me a very big compliment, which I will take, because he says, I like how you control the car. Guys, you know, he said that, I lost all focus. I'm like, oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. He's like, hey, focus on the road. So I think that will be the end of compliments for now, because of the way I handled the first one. But if anything comes up, I'll sure to keep you guys updated. So this is my official entry for day 2 of me trying to get my license. Let's go for day 3. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow is a rest. So I'm gonna use tomorrow and learn everything that was taught to me yesterday and today. Then on Monday,